American history is punctuated by critical pieces of overlooked legislation that shaped and continue to shape gold coins, silver coins, and circulating coins as we know them. The Coinage Act of 1792, also known as the Mint Act or Coinage Act, authorized the U.S. Mint and established regulation of coins. The law specified that coins be minted with gold, silver, and copper in denominations ranging from 1 cent to $10, and also defined the dollar relative to silver, not gold. The act further specified that the front of each coin should display the word Liberty, and the back of each gold and silver coin should display the words United States of America. With the passage of the Coinage Act of 1834, lawmakers adjusted the silver-to-gold ratio from 15:1 to 16:1, thereby reducing the gold content of the dollar. This action significantly diminished the role of silver in circulating coinage and paved the way for the gold standard. Mostly in response to the California gold rush, the Coinage Act of 1849 authorized the minting of 2 new gold coins, a small $1 coin and the $20 double eagle. The Coinage Act of 1857 put a stop to the use of foreign coins as legal tender in the U.S. and halted production of the unpopular half-cent coin, and also reduced the copper content of the penny to 88% and filled the 12% gap with nickel, making the coin lighter and giving it a silverish appearance. The Coinage Act of 1864 changed the composition of the 1-cent coin and authorized the 2-cent coin. It also marked the birth of the phrase "In God We Trust" on U.S. coins, first appearing on the 1864 2-cent coin and subsequently inscribed on many others. The Coinage Act of 1873 is most widely known for its call to move to the gold standard and away from silver, triggering a drop in silver prices. Eventually, the mint halted silver production, and banks frowned on customers' use of silver dollars. In the 1960s, the U.S. coped with a declining supply of silver, threatening to increase the demand for certain circulating coins that contained silver. President Lyndon B. Johnson pressed lawmakers to revamp the coinage system, resulting in the Coinage Act of 1965, which replaced the silver content of dimes and quarters with copper and nickel. The act also decreased the silver content of half dollars from 40% to the same mix as dimes and quarters. These coinage acts changed the face of American coinage. Act now to change the face of your portfolio with physical gold and silver. Call U.S. Money Reserve today and click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about making any gold, silver, or platinum purchase.